Lenovo LP5 Thinkplus pod that I've just bought on Shopee. So yeah, we're going to test if this thing is really sulit and pasok sa banga. So yeah, if you're new to this channel, please do like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, without further ado, let's do start. So this is the Thinkplus LP5 buds where I just bought on Shopee, and this cost only me 699 pesos including the shipping fee. So now we're going to do the unboxing of this very nice Lenovo Thinkplus Pod Live LP5 series. So upon opening, what we see first is its manual, Thinkplus Pod manual, and a free pod silicone in case you know what I mean, silicone, and a USB Type-C cable. So very impressive because they already have a USB Type-C, and the Thinkplus Live Pods LP5 itself.
Fantastic.
So the pods came with itself a jelly case protector, which the one that I've got is the transparent one.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
First impression on these pods is quite
Fantastic.
amazing, knowing on the price that is. So guys, sulit nyo siya guys, mukhang yun yung kung sa inyong gibayad.